Welcome to section 4. In this section, we're going to cover Linux, Bash, and Python basics. So this is essentially giving you an overview of the different scripting languages that we're going to use. One of the most common ones that is used in the ethical hacking space is Python because it's very easy to use, very simple, and we're going to go over all three of these in depth. So let's go right ahead and jump into the section 4 overview. Scripting languages are one of the most important things that you need to also learn within the ethical hacking space, cybersecurity space, because this is where you're going to be doing your inputs so you can get back information from a particular network, from a particular application, whatever that may be that you're looking to get access to. Having the understanding and experience of these different scripting languages is going to allow you to really be on top of your game, because when you can really understand the different scripting languages and the functions and how they work, then you're going to really be able to gather as much information as possible, get into different systems very easily and quickly. So let's go ahead and jump into the section 4 overview. So with section 4, this is where we're going to go over, like I mentioned, some of the few scripting languages that we're going to cover in this particular course that's going to improve your skills as a hacker. So what we're going to be going over is what is an operating system. I want you to get a fundamental understanding of not only what scripting languages are, but what operating systems are and how they play a major role in how a computer works, right? Because we want to take a big picture overview here of how an entire system, how an entire computer, right, laptop works, so that you know what you're working with as an actual hacker, and where this can make your job a whole lot easier because you understand the big picture here, right? And then what exactly are scripting languages and the power of scripting languages as a hacker, and then some of the basic Linux commands, and then the Bash scripting language basics as well, and then also the Python scripting language basics, and then finally the PowerShell language basics as well. So what exactly is an operating system? I really want you to get an understanding here, right, of what exactly takes to have a computer device actually run. And an operating system is the software that directly manages a system's hardware and resources like CPU, memory, and storage. So take a look at the image on the right hand side. And as you can see, at the very bottom, you have your hardware, you have your computer, right? Your computer cannot run without having an operating system, because without it, it's just pretty much scrap, right? You can't run it, it can't function properly without some sort of operating system. And so within an operating system, you're going to be able to have different applications. So for example, let's say for a hardware, you have a Dell computer or an HP computer, right? And then operating system, you have, let's say, Microsoft Windows. And then for an application software, let's say you're trying to run Skype. So that would be the application that you're able to access through your operating system that is on the computer. And then the user, right? That would be you. So you have the hardware and then you have the user, right? And so the hardware is the computer. The actual physical, tangible computer. Operating system is what allows you to be able to run the computer. And then the application is something that you use within the actual operating system. And then the user obviously is yourself, right? Just think about an OS, right? Operating system, like a car engine. Car engine can run on its own, but it becomes a functional car when it's connected with the transmission, axles, and wheels, right? And so without the engine running properly, the rest of the car won't work. And so the operating system is that engine. It's what allows the actual car, right? Which in a sense would be the actual physical computer. It allows it to run properly, right? And so this is essentially what an operating system is. And so now let's look at what exactly are scripting languages. And so a scripting language is a programming language that is designed for integrating and communicating with other programming languages. And so when you look at the right hand side over here, this image, this is how most programming languages will look. You have a lot of inputs, you have a lot of commands that you can use and inputs to get back specific information. And the two main ones that we're going to be using here is the Bash, which is the scripting language within the Linux interface, and then the Python. And this is the free open source actual language that is the most widely used in the ethical hacking industry. and it has a ton of libraries that can be used for both the hacking and for writing very useful programs, right? Python is one of those programs that can be used for a ton of different things. However, for purposes of this course, we're going to be using it to get access to different information, to input different commands. And so that's going to be here for the section 4 overview. You've got an understanding of what exactly an operating system is, how it functions, the importance of it, and then also what exactly are scripting languages and how we're going to use these to pull up different information and get access to different files and data as well. So that's going to be here for this one, and we'll see you on the next one.